Hello, my friends. Welcome to Mahamudra Movement. My name is Felix Puensalida, and today we're going to do a power core routine. Remember to like this video, and if you want, you can also subscribe to my YouTube channel. So for today, we're going to focus our practice in isometric postures, which are very basic for any person that wants to have more control over their body, or also for taking care of some back injuries and so on. These are like the base of the base postures that we do in fitness, in yoga, and so on. Okay, so we're going to focus on the front plank, the side plank, the Superman or back extension, and the hollow rock position. Okay, I'm going to show how they are done, how we should do them, and also some variations if you are not yet in the level to do them in the right way. And then we're going to do a little routine of about 4 minutes, holding each one of them for, of course, 1 minute each. Okay, so let's see you on the mat. Let's go. Okay, my friends, we are on the mat now, and we're going to start seeing these 4 exercises for today. Okay, so we're going to start with the front plank. Okay, so this posture is very technical, in that it has many details. So I'm going to start with the most basic. Okay, first, the position of my hands have to come, of course, right below my shoulders. They should not be like too separated. In a harder way to do them is when we are starting to put our hands forward, but for this video we're not gonna do that. We're just gonna stay on the basic. Okay, so I put my hands just in the align with my shoulders, then my legs are gonna come back and I'm going to press on my core and my quads. So my quads, my glutes, my core have to be very active here. So another point, there is some discussion according to some to how it should be correctly done, but I would say that of all my understanding of anatomy and what's the best way to do it is when we project or we do like the hollow posture on the front plank. This is the way, the most hardest way and the best way to do it, of course. Now, this requires a lot of strength and control. So in yoga, for example, we don't do that and we just stay here with our shoulders separated. We don't hold on the back. Why? Because in yoga we are preventing these abnormal curvatures. We want our spine as erect as possible. But if you want to put your practice into a further step or level, I would recommend try the more like calisthenic way to do the front plank. Now, if you are just starting, you don't have the strength to do it, you can do with your elbows on the mat. My glutes are straight, are active, my quads are active, my core is active. This is less stressful for my wrist, of course, and for my shoulders. But I keep my alignment. Okay, I can stay here or I can come here. Whatever is seems more correct for you, I invite you to explore. Always taking care of the posture, of the alignment of your body and the right contraction of your muscles that need to be active during the exercise. Okay, so another way to do it is with my knees on the mat. Okay, so I just stay here. Okay, this will teach me the position of my hands. I still can activate my quads here and my core. This is not really a front plank, but it can serve as a variation just to teach your body how it should be, or as a warm-up for your wrist. Okay, so that's for the front plank. Okay, now the side plank. Okay, same thing than the other. Okay, so this is a little tricky because the right way to do it is, I'm gonna show it first. Okay, I should put one foot over the other. I elevate my hips up as possible. My core is activated, my quads are activated, my chest is open here. I don't come here down. Okay, I open my chest, look this shoulder. Okay, then I bring my arm up. Okay, so variations. So I'm here. One variation, if the balance is my problem, is to put one leg behind. Okay, so less problem with my balance. Another variation is to put this leg here. So it's going to be less stressful, not so difficult. Okay, so if I have issues with my shoulders, with my hand, my wrist, again, same as the front plank, I can use my elbow. Make sure that your hips are always up and your body is full aligned. Okay, so these are the variations of the side plank to make it easier. Okay, all right, so of course we have to do both sides. Okay, left and right always. Now let's do the Superman. Okay, so the Superman or back extension is a very good exercise, basic or beginner exercise to strengthen our back and to start lifting our chest and our legs. So it also targets the ischiotibials here. So the traditional way to do it is here. I elevate the legs as much as I can. I elevate my chest as much as I can. My glutes have to be very strong, activated. My core has to be activated. And my hips have to be very hard on the ground, okay? Squeeze your abs, don't take your belly out, okay? Squeeze your abs. Okay, now some variations are just to lift up. I leave my arms on the sides, relaxed, and I can just lift up my legs. And then I just lift up my shoulders, my chest. Also my arms could come here or here. So if I want to focus more on the back extension, if you have if your pecs are not so flexible, you can just stay here, then you come here. Okay, so now for the hollow rock posture. Now, this one has a very technical thing, and I want to explain it. So it has to do that with the hip posture. Okay, so I'm going to start in like this. Okay, so first I'm going to bring my hips up. Okay, my hips have to come up. If you see here is not a natural curvature of my back, which I want to fight against it. So I want to press on my core and rise or turn my hips in. This is there. So of course there is gonna be some activation, automatic activation here. So this is the base. Now one leg is going to come forward and the other. I'm going to stay here. Once we are here, okay, we can change the difficulty of this exercise. My chest has to be elevated, okay, so this is very important. My chest is elevated, I am looking onto my feet, okay, and then I can, by changing the posture of my arms, I'm going to make it harder, okay. If here is going to be like super hard, and here is going to be less hard. So try to explore where is your level or your posture, the right posture for you to work on this asana, and then you start trying to make it harder and harder when you win more time. Okay, so let's begin with the power core routine now. 1 minute each posture. For the side plank, I'm going to be 30 seconds each. I'm going to count loud, okay? I hope I count like a timer, okay? I guess I can do it. So let's start. You do it with me, and of course I challenge you to do more than 1 rep of this. If you want to do like a very powerful workout, maybe 2 or 3 rounds, okay? So let's begin. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. Woohoo! Okay, side plank. And we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. We do the other side. We switch. And we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Woo. Okay, let's do the back extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. Okay, let's do the hollow rock, and this is the last one, the most difficult. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60. You bring your knees to your chest, you rest. And we're ready to go. Remember, you can repeat this 2, 3, 4, 5 times. If 1 minute is too much for you, start with less, maybe 20 seconds, 30 seconds. Go until your limit. Don't make it easy. Make it challenging, but not impossible, okay? So let's say that your maximum suffering is around 30 seconds. Start with 25 or 20, and then you start adding 5 seconds more, 5 seconds more, 5 seconds more every day, okay? Until you reach the 1 minute, okay? That's all for today. See you later.